Living in Miami Gardens means enjoying year-round sunshine, tropical breezes, and easy access to Florida's coast. But as every local homeowner knows, those same coastal benefits also come with seasonal weather challenges, especially during hurricane season. From strong winds to heavy rain and flying debris, your home's exterior must be built to handle it all. One of the smartest ways to protect your property and loved ones is by installing impact-resistant doors. These specially engineered doors are designed to stand up to Miami Gardens' unpredictable coastal weather while enhancing energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Here's why they're a must-have for every home in the area. Built to withstand coastal conditions, Miami Gardens' proximity to the coast exposes homes to powerful weather patterns, especially during storm season. Traditional doors can crack, splinter, or blow open under intense pressure, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage and flying debris. Impact-resistant doors are built using advanced materials such as fiberglass, reinforced steel, and laminated impact glass, which can withstand wind speeds of up to 175 miles per hour or more. Unlike standard doors, they're tested under hurricane-force conditions to ensure they remain structurally intact even in extreme weather. In the event of strong winds or debris impact, the door's inner layer of shatter-resistant glass remains firmly bonded to its frame, preventing dangerous shards from entering your home. This feature not only keeps your property secure but also provides valuable peace of mind when storms approach. Year-round energy efficiency. While impact-resistant doors are best known for their storm protection, they also deliver excellent energy-saving benefits. Miami Gardens' warm, humid climate can make it challenging and expensive to keep your home cool. High-quality impact doors feature insulated cores, tight weather seals, and energy-efficient glass that minimize heat transfer. By keeping warm air out and conditioned air in, they help stabilize your indoor temperature, reduce energy consumption, and lower utility bills. Over time, this combination of durability and energy efficiency makes impact doors a smart long-term investment for any Miami Gardens homeowner. Enhanced security for your home. Beyond weather protection, impact-resistant doors also add an extra layer of home security. Their robust construction makes them extremely difficult to break or force open, deterring potential intruders. The multi-point locking systems and reinforced hinges commonly found on impact doors ensure that your entryways remain secure, even under extreme stress. Whether it's protecting your family during a storm or safeguarding against unwanted entry, these doors offer superior strength and reliability. Noise reduction. For a more peaceful home, living in Miami Gardens often means dealing with outdoor noise, from traffic to neighborhood activity. The same features that make impact-resistant doors durable also make them great at reducing sound transmission. The dense materials and multi-layered glass construction act as a natural noise barrier, creating a quieter, more peaceful interior environment. This is especially beneficial for homes near busy streets or high-traffic areas. Stylish options to match every home. Many homeowners worry that storm-ready doors will look bulky or industrial, but modern impact-resistant doors combine style and strength effortlessly. They're available in a wide range of materials, finishes, and designs to complement your home's architecture, from sleek contemporary glass panels to classic wood grain finishes. You can even choose decorative glass options that allow natural light to filter through without compromising safety. Whether you're upgrading your front entry, patio, or side doors, impact-resistant styles blend seamlessly with any design aesthetic while boosting curb appeal. Long-term value and insurance benefits. Installing impact-resistant doors can also increase your home's value and potentially lower your insurance premiums. Because these doors meet strict building codes for hurricane protection, many insurers offer discounts for homes equipped with approved storm-resistant features. Their long lifespan and low maintenance requirements further enhance their value, making them a wise investment that pays off in safety, savings, and peace of mind. Final thoughts. In Miami Gardens, where coastal weather can turn unpredictable, impact-resistant doors are more than just a luxury, they're a necessity. They safeguard your home against wind, water, and debris, all while improving energy efficiency, security, and aesthetics. By upgrading to professionally installed impact doors, you're not only protecting your property but also ensuring lasting comfort and confidence through every season. When the next storm hits, you'll be glad you chose strength, style, and protection, the hallmarks of quality impact-resistant doors for your Miami Gardens home.